To assemble the Amazon Basics Classic Desk Chair, unzip the back of the chair and remove the parts. The hub has threaded holes for the legs. Slide on the legs and line up the holes on the legs to the threaded holes on the hub. Use the 5 screws marked J to attach the legs to the hub. The chair comes with a hex wrench to tighten down the screws. Pull open the decorative cover for the hub. Snap the cover over the hub. Push the casters firmly onto the legs. Push the wide end of the lift cylinder into the hub. Lay the chair back and seat on their sides. The front of the seat is marked. The right armrest is labeled G1. Use the screws marked L to attach the armrest. Attach the left armrest marked G2 the same way. The adjustment mechanism attaches to the bottom of the chair with the knob positioned toward the front of the chair. Use the screws marked K. To get more torque, I used a screwdriver with a hex bit, but you can use the hex wrench that comes with the chair. Slide the lift cylinder into the adjustment mechanism. The screw caps, part M, snap over the screws on the armrests.